Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show the easiest and fastest way in which you can set a sale price for products with variants on your Shopify store. Now you might have a product with a whole bunch of different variants and you might want to set a different sale price for each variant. Maybe it's a piece of clothing with different sizes and different sizes cost different amounts. Whatever it is, let's jump into it. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it right now. So to start with, you first want to have your Shopify dashboard open like I have here. And then you want to head over to the left hand side and look for products, which is the third option down. So go ahead and click on that. And here you'll be taken to all the products that are listed on your store. Next up, you just want to choose the product which you want to set the sale prices for the variants for. So in my case, it's this one. So what you want to do is just scroll down until you see this bit that says variants, and here we can see all the different variants. As you can see, there's loads of different sizes for this one, and each size is a different cost. So to edit whichever variant you want, you first have to know which one you want to edit. So in my case, let's just say it's this one with the photo. We're going to go over to the right hand side where there's this edit button and click on that. And then from here, here's where we can change the pricing of it. So if we didn't want this at £42, we wanted it at 40, for example, we just change it like that to 40. And we can also change the compare at price. So what that basically is how much it used to be. So let's just say it used to be £50, we could set it at that. And then when a customer comes to your store to purchase, when they click on that, they will see that it used to be £50 and it's now reduced down to £40. And you can basically do this for all your variants. So we can click on this. So we can click on a different variant and we can change this one, and we can just repeat this process until we have done all of these variants or all the ones we want to do. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you successfully managed to set sale prices for products with variants on Shopify. If you did, please comment down below to say that helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.